2026 is in a few days coming, and the least I want is you still confused on what to do to grow your natural hair. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a few herbs that you can use to make the most potent Ayurvedic hair butter that will transform your hair. Anyways, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl, the only Meso. On this channel, I post videos that teach you how to make your own natural hair products yourself, how to use them, and generally what to do and what not to do to make your hair grow longer and healthier. If you're still struggling growing your natural hair, or you're still beginning to grow your natural hair, hop in, let us make the best of 2026. In 2018, immediately after I finished secondary school, I helped my mom to deliver a child using a lamp. I was the one holding the lamp. So after secondary school, I went home, and then the rest of it is waiting for JAMB to mention the day that they will be open and the rest of it. So that period, I used the opportunity to go stay with my mom, where she is working as a matron, as a midwife actually, in a local health center in Okofia, Anambra State. Guys, that was, I don't even know. For that period, nothing so much was happening, but they recently posted that day. So she asked me to come over to that place and stay with her, because they gave her a 3-bedroom accommodation there. So one of those days, the first day I came to that facility, I noticed that she's the only person living in that compound. But I was like, okay, there's no problems as far as I'm with my phone, and that particular environment, they give them light 24/7 most of the time anyways. So I was enjoying it, and I was with my mom, and feeding was not our problem. But the problem is, the next morning, this woman actually woke me up. We were going like house to house looking for women that are pregnant. We are going for pregnant women hunting. Yes, that is just what it was. She came to the new facility where they posted her, and she found out that most women go to private hospitals there. In fact, the maternity home was actually abandoned, and she swore to like make it anew, make it popular again, and make them bubbling, and women will start having children there. So every morning she will go house to house in the village looking for women who are pregnant. She will talk to them, talk to their mother-in-law, talk to their mothers, and tell them that they are in good. And my mom is actually very sociable. She will talk to you, you feel at home, feel like as though your own mother is talking to you. From time to time, we still having a couple number of pregnant women coming over to the health center, and from there we are having about 15 pregnant women. So they will come, she will share biscuit, drinks for them, water for them, teach them things they really need to know about their bodies, about their pregnancies, check their vital signs and all of that. So I'm just remembering exactly everything that was happening in this period. But the only thing that actually is absent in that facility is they lack basic amenities. There is no proper water, there is no light. Like, lights may be in the place they give us accommodation, but in the health center, nah, they lack light. So my mom stay going around for it, and before then, there were already women that are already in their 9 months already. So my mom really needed to improvise. So that particular day, about 2 women were already in labor. They came over, and my mom actually assured them that they are going to have a safe delivery at the maternity place center. So they were climbing the stairs, coming down, like whatever pregnant women do during their labor period. And the first lady luckily had her baby during the day around 3 p.m., between 3 p.m. 4 p.m. But the other woman, as God may want it, the baby was not forthcoming. So till around that kind, past 7, past 8, I've already gone upstairs because I saw about 2 other nurses around with my mom. So I was like, okay, they will help her. Boom. And also there was light. They will do whatever thing they will have to do there. Then around 9, I was already asleep. My mom came and woke me up and said, Miss Oba, come downstairs and help me. All the nurses has gone. I woke up and there was no light. Hey, how are we going to deliver the baby with no light? Because I don't understand. Anyways, I went downstairs and she gave me this. If you see this lantern, like, it was really very big, like very, very big. The first time I'm seeing that size of lantern actually. So when my mom lit it, it actually like covered the room and all of that. So luckily my mom actually called back one of the nurses that left, and she now came to help out. Within about 15 to 20 minutes, they were actually done with the delivery. I saw everything. My mouth was so open, wide open. Gosh, if you're a man and you're watching this video, one thing I'm going to let you know right now is that that woman you have at home that is bearing children for you, please give her the utmost respect and honor. Please make her happy all the time, because that woman, she was screaming. To the glory of God, everything went well. But I just told you guys how I witnessed the first delivery of my life while holding a lantern. So these are the products we got from the hair butter that we made. This, oh, and this. So I'll be gifting my cousin this particular one. He's trying to grow his hair, so I made for two. So let's use mine to moisturize my natural hair. As usual, you know, now we have to spray our hair first. Anyways, I'm actually preparing to go to work. I just decided to show you guys what is going on with this particular new product and how you can use it. Gosh, you see why I don't like moisturizing my hair early morning. I'm going to work. I normally moisturize at night. Oh, because it will be staining my clothes. The water, I mean, see, it's dripping. Clean up. These are the struggles, but we'll still do what we have to do for our hair to grow. It's all about intentionality. So this is the product, and I'm just going to take a chunk. This is enough for me because I actually did a little thing on my hair, and for a while, about 2 weeks now, I've not had enough time to wash my hair. I've not had a very proper wash day routine, so I've been bombarding my hair with a lot of products, so I don't want to overdo this period so that my hair will not suffocate. Oh. So that one is enough actually. So normally in this video, I'm supposed to, in this particular clip, I'm supposed to be showing you how to use it. This product is hair butter, and it heals you. It has moringa, amla powder, and a whole lot. You just watch the video. So this is like hair food. Let's call it hair food for moisturizing the natural hair. So it is what it is. Just concentrate on your hair and on your scalp and massaging very well. I think one of these days I will show you like a proper way. If you actually do not understand what I am doing right now, I just put it in and then I'm trying to massage the product in, even though it's little. But I mean, for just today, I told you the reason why I'm not putting so much today, because I've already have a lot of products built up. I feel probably might not be seeing it in this video, but I just feel it. For 2 weeks now, I've been moisturizing my hair, applying product on my hair, but I've never actually done a proper wash day routine. So I just feel the hair is actually going through a lot. You just imagine rubbing oil on your body, but you've not actually showered. So this weekend, anyways, this is Saturday. I don't know, this is Saturday the 22nd of November 2025. So I don't know when this video is going to be coming out because I've not edited, but let's see how it goes. But I planned actually, if things go well, this particular week, when I come back from work today, Saturday, I'm going to wash the hair. But if it doesn't work today, tomorrow I'm going to do it. And I'm supposed to make my hair tomorrow. Yeah, you guys. So let's hurry. I'm supposed to be going to work now. I'm done massaging it in. Like I said, I'm going to work this morning. I'm already dressed, so I'm just doing my hair. I just thought to show you guys. I remember that after making the video, I didn't actually record myself applying the hair, and I thought to probably I'll work if I have chance. Today is Saturday, we may not have plenty patient outputs, inshallah. So I might just try to edit it. I have 2 videos now, guys. I made one leave-in conditioner like that. I saw it somewhere. I said, okay, let me just try. I know
what's going to come out there. Gosh, if you see it, I use shea butter. Sorry, I use aloe vera as my water base. And then, guys, if you see this, let me show you. Oh, it's not here. I'm going to post the video. The video is complete. It's not editing, guys. I had almost all the time this week, but hold me responsible. So today I'm not even stressing myself trying to make any hair. I'm just going to pack my hair. So this is me. Packing my hair. There was this Korean movie. See, when people ask me what's your hobby, what do you even like doing? The truth is that I don't even like anything. I can stay for weeks without even listening to music. Aside the one that I'm hearing by accident, probably walking on the road and we're in Nigeria. You just be banging music in the streets. So aside that, I don't even know. I might just like intention. I say, oh gosh, I've not even listened to any music. Or probably one worship song is just lingering in my spirit. I just say, okay, let me just listen to it. That's just when you catch me with my earpiece that I use my hard-earned money to buy. So I hate my hair being tight. That's what I'm doing. All these things are just the little things we do for our natural hair. Yeah, because why is the hair tight? So guys, I'm done now. I hope it's not looking tight in the camera because I'm actually not feeling the tightness. I'm trying to loosen it up. I don't like stress, so why should I be stressing my hair? So that's it though. I'm done. Where's my bag? I know you guys are not seeing the full fit. I'm putting on a jean, obviously Bogo's like boyfriend jean down, and then this singlet because I'm going to work. So I just thought to just add this beautiful Ankara I think it's Adire top from my cousin Ruby Woman. Hi. So considering it, this is like my regular work bag, but I think I should wear this one. My friend doesn't like this good chain that is here. She said I should remove it, that this bag looks beautiful. What do you think, guys? So, yeah, considering the color of the outfit, I'm putting on this. Sorry, guys, I'm carrying this. So, guys, these are what I'm going to be putting inside the bag. This is dates. I'll just take 1 or 2 instead of eating something sugary at work. So, this is my AirPod, my lip gloss, So this is, if you know what this is, let me know in the comment section. It's about videographers, like photography. So let me know in the comment section. My friends, this is a pen, of course, and my iPhone charger. Do not even talk about the plaster that is there. Don't even talk about it. But this is by Jota. So beautiful. I like putting like a book. Actually, if I'm about to edit any of my videos, I put in a book for it. Then this is Zara perfume. I think I should wear it. So since I'm a natural hair, it's actually good to hold a brush because natural hairs feel disgrace if you don't. So this, okay, let me just wear the perfume now. With the perfume. So this is my lip. I hate smells of perfume. If not for saving people's nose and smelling good and elevate my confidence. Shit. I can spray perfume like this and for like some minutes, 10 minutes or more, I can't breathe properly. I don't even know if I'm allergic to something in it. I don't know. So this is from my cousin as well. 15 naira must ever be in my pocket because tell me why down for people will not be giving me change. Adding up in my collection. So guys, this is my bag. So my friend said I should remove this gold stuff, but how will I do that? My forever accessories. These accessories, especially this one. If I don't they cry, like if he's a human being, I'm like Miss Summer. Not pity for me. But pity, yeah, until you die, you. I got until it cuts. So these are my wrists. Anyways, I'm actually running late to work now. See you guys in my next video. I really appreciate you watching to this point. I am so grateful. Thank you and bye bye. See you.